Do you or your loved ones suffer from lung disease? Are you tired of relying solely on conventional medicines? Well, we have good news for you. In this video, we will guide you through the natural process of reversing lung disease using herbal remedies. Step 1. Mullein. This powerful herb is known for its ability to soothe and strengthen the respiratory system. It helps remove excess mucus and reduces inflammation. You can find mullein in a powdered form or as a tea. Step 2. Thyme. This aromatic herb is not only delicious, but it's also beneficial for your lungs. Thyme helps open up airways, clears congestion and fights off harmful bacteria. You can enjoy thyme by adding it to your meals or brewing it as a tea. Step 3. Licorice root. This sweet herb has been used for centuries to support respiratory health. It helps reduce inflammation and soothes irritated airways. Licorice root can be found in tea or capsule form. Step 4. Eucalyptus. This refreshing herb is a natural decongestant. Its powerful essential oils can help clear out mucus and ease breathing. You can use eucalyptus oil in a diffuser or by adding a few drops to hot water for inhalation. Step 5. Lobelia. This lesser-known herb has impressive lung healing properties. It helps relax airways, relieve coughs, and promote overall lung health. Lobelia can be consumed as a tea or a tincture. Finally, make sure to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating any new herbs into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and remedies.